Unu Opoku nsua Twi dwumadie sunie. This is the program Learn Twi with Opoku. One of my listeners asked this question, and I think it will be beneficial if I make video about it so that all of us will be able to understand it. And the question was, do we say Medaase P or Medaase bebree? Do we say Medaase P or Medaase bebree? And that is, do we say thank you very much or thank you very many? That is the question. And it is an interesting debate because most Twi speakers, they make use of any of these two sentences or statements. Some say Medaase bebree or Medaase P. Thank you very much. Thank you very many. When I say thank you very many, I think that sounds very weird in your ears, isn't it? Yeah. So one of the statements sounds like that. And which one is that? Well, let me try to explain the meaning of P and then bebree. In Twi, when we say P, it means something much or something many, which is also not what? Countable. So something much and uncountable. That is what? P. Oh, anye P wampuano. Anye P wampuano. That means there is much sand at the beach. Mpuano is what? Beach. So there is much sand at the beach. Anye P. Oh. Why am I saying P? I'm saying P because you cannot count the sand. P. I can also say nipa bebree wo agopnama no so. There are many people at the stadium. Nipa bebree wo agopnama no so. There are many people at the stadium. By this, I mean that though there are many, we can count them. That is why I'm saying nipa bebree. But if there are many people such that you cannot count them, then I will say nipa P. P wagopnama no so. So what am I trying to put across? All that I'm saying is that when we use the Twi word P, then it means we are trying to imply that something is so much that we cannot what? Even count it. Yeah. And when we say bebree, it means it is much, but it can be counted. That is the only difference. But the question is, when we are saying thank you to someone else, do we imply that our thanks are limited? No. In Twi we say, Medaase eni kabea. Medaase eni kabea ena emau. What do we mean by that? We are trying to say that we are giving you thanks that is what? Unlimited. That has no end. Unlimited thanks. Aseda eni kabea. Good. So when we want to say Medaase, and we want to add something to it to mean that our thanks has no end, then what word do you think will be appropriate for us to add to it? Would that be P or bebree? Would that be P? That means it has no end, or bebree, which means, yeah, it's many, but to some extent. Which one do you think you will be preferring to use? You are right. P. So we say Medaase P, but not Medaase bebree. Medaase P. Medaase P. So the appropriate way of saying thank you very much in Twi is Medaase P. Medaase P, but not Medaase bebree. Why? In English, we say thank you very much, not thank you very many. Right? So, Medaase P. Good. Medaase has a literal meaning. But for us to understand this particular phrase, let's refer to our brothers and sisters in Nigeria. You see, in Nigeria, if a brother or sister wants to show appreciation, the person, most of them will what? Lie prostrate on the ground to say thank you. And that is what? Very touching. If someone should do that before me and thanking me, in fact, I will feel it, that really the person is thanking me. But cultures differ. In Ghana, the person will not lie prostrate, but he will say it. Hence we say Medaase. Medaase. Medawo, meaning I sleep or I lie under you. That is the literal meaning of Medaase. Medaase. But we shorten it to say Medaase. But the actual statement is what? Medaase. Medaase. I lie under you. Da, wo, ase. I lie under you. So it's like the Nigerian culture. The person will do it, will lie under you and say thank you. But the Ghanaian, the Asantes or the Akans, they will say it. Oh, with what you have done to me, I lie under you. Medaase. Which means thank you. Thank you. So that is the meaning of what? Medaase. We shorten it to say Medaase. Medaase. Thank you. But if you want to say thank you very much, then we say Medaase P. Medaase P. Medaase P. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you have a question, please leave it in the comment box and I'll answer you. And if you could subscribe, it will help this channel to grow and all of us will love it. Thanks for watching and hope to see you some other time. Bye-bye.